You're detoxing because you're in custody?
Yes. I'm on methadone at the Victory Clinic, and they won't give it to me
Yes.
here.
Thank you for joining us, Mr. Stickley. This is Deja Calvin.
I'm just getting the paperwork on this now. This is just a fail to appear for a probation violation arraignment. Do I have that right?
Correct. We'll have to get the case back on track.
Okay.
All right. This is file number 22. Yes, 22. 4 years old. People versus Deja Lachey Calvin. Miss Calvin was charged with operating while intoxicated and maybe some other things, but she was on probation for operating while intoxicated. Daniel Frazine was assigned to supervise the probation, and it had some ups and downs. And then eventually Deja just disappeared about 16 months ago. And so, all right, well, let me ask you a couple of questions. How did you get arrested last night?
I didn't. I turned myself in on Friday night or Friday morning. They said they were going to let them know that.
All right, very good. Where have you been living?
The same address, 211 South Douglas.
Oh boy. Daniel joked about that. Warrants are out there and nobody serves them unless they get picked up for something. Why'd you decide to turn yourself in?
Because I'm ready to get it taken care of, and like I don't want to be in trouble. And I have kids that I have to set an example for.
Well, let's go way back to the petition. It is alleged that you were placed on probation July 25th of 2022 for 24 months for operating while intoxicated. You violated the conditions of probation by failing to report on a monthly basis, failing to abstain from the use of drugs and alcohol or test on demand, and failing to participate in the treatment plan as directed. We set a probation violation arraignment for June 5th of 2024, and you failed to appear. So a bench warrant issued and has been out all that time, and you've been living at the same house, and they just never served the warrant. All right, I need to get the case back on track. Your original attorney was John Bush. Show plead not guilty.
And I don't know what the failure to stay off drugs and report and everything was, because I did everything I was supposed to do. He wanted to violate me because I couldn't find employment.
Well, then you quit showing up. We never even got to you went off the grid for 16 months, longer than that, about 20 months. And to your credit, you came in to try to address this. Now, what Daniel recommended was revoking the probation.
I promise if you let me go today, I will do everything the way I'm supposed to do. I have kids at home that are waiting for me to get there. I'm detoxing off methadone right now. I will do everything the way I'm supposed to do. I know you have no reason to believe me, but I would hope that me coming in and turning myself in would be a sign of good faith.
It is. You're detoxing because you're in custody?
Yes. I'm on methadone at the Victory Clinic, and they won't give it to me here.
You were on methadone then, and we managed to struggle through it. Cocaine had been your other bane, and alcohol.
Yeah,
But in light of the
I'm
fact
clean
that
rehab.
you turned yourself in, and you've been living at the same address for 2 years, what he recommended was the 9 days of jail that were deferred, I think, and 4 additional days. So he's recommending 13 days of jail and revoke the probation.
And my kids thought I would be gone for 1 day, and I've been gone for 4.
Say that again.
My kids thought that I was gonna be gone for 1 day, and I've been gone for 4. So
Yeah, that's on you. This is unusual. My original plan was just leave you in jail until we could address this. You're on a medically supervised methadone plan. You haven't moved. You haven't turned yourself in. You didn't do everything we asked you to do, and then you quit showing up. But I'm going to appoint an attorney.
It could be, it can go to Mr. Bush, Your Honor.
What?
It could go to Mr. Bush, Your Honor.
Yes.
I don't know, what does that mean? I don't know what that means.
Mr. Bush was your original attorney. And I'm going to let you out on a bond, Deja, on your representation. You're going to show up to deal with this.
I promise you I will. I don't like being in trouble. I don't like going through all this stuff. I just want to get it taken care of so I can move on.
All right. It may entail some additional jail time before we're done. But
if we could like set it up so I could do like weekends or something where I'm prepared would be better though.
yes. When I do detox people from methadone detox is supposedly worse than heroin or morphine withdrawal. So the withdrawal is bad. And then I get you withdrawn. Then you get out and then you use a street drug or something and you
No intentions of using the street.
I don't want that. I don't want you. I'm no big fan of the Victory Clinic. I don't make any secret of that, but people get on it and they never get off of it. And it's a giant millstone around your neck. You have to dose every day.
Yes.
You can't go anywhere. You can't do anything. You can't work. But you manage to stay under my radar. Say that again.
I'm in the process of actually getting off of it on my own, of course. But the slow taper is a big difference from a forced detox.
Yes. All right. I'm going to set bond at $500 PR. I don't yet know when the next hearing date is. And if you don't show up, I'm going to set bond at $10 million and have the police come to your house and pick you up and set the hearing sometime after Christmas. So it's in your best interest to make sure you appear at every court hearing.
Yes, sir. $500 PR, does that mean like on my own like kindnesses? Or I have to have $500?
No, $500 PR.
So just on my own kindnesses?
Yes.
Sorry, I get confused.
Now, will somebody come pick you up?
Yes.
All right. Who are you living with? Still with your grandma?
Yes. But they're in Florida right now.
Okay. Where are your kids?
In school right now. It would be great if I got out in time to get them. Well, no.
Well, who's watching them?
My dad had him over the weekend, but he works, so.
I forgot. Who's your dad?
Quincy Washington.
Oh, that's right. All right, I'm going to give you a PR bond on your promise that you'll show up for the next hearing.
Yes. And I'll get that in the mail?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, you're good to go.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.